Today I'm going to install the sensor switch like this. The brand is, let me see, Ecoeler. It was bought from Amazon, cost around $12. That's good price. Before to do anything, I did cut off the power first. So I'm going to install this sensor switch with a regular three-way switch. So in my house, I have two switch boxes. This one is close to garage, so I called it switch 1. And I have another switch box. I called it switch 2. It's here. According to the instruction, before installation, you need to figure out which switch is the master switch and which one is the auxiliary switch. So let me show you how to figure out them. So right now, it's the original switches are still there, and another is here. So let me test the switch A first. I connect the cable to outlet. If you look at the switch, you can see this screw, this one, the darker one. So I did test it with this darker screw. So I insert metal pieces into the plug and then connect the meter. One side to here, and another side to the dark screw. Let me show you. Okay, so it didn't change, no change. Let's try another side, switch 2. So basically, I do the same thing for switch 2, but the switch 2, the wiring is already prepared, so it looks kind of different from the switch 1. But I still can test it. Let me show you. Can you see? It changed, right? Please beware, I still tested this screw, the dark screw, for switch 2. So right now, based on the outcome, I know that the switch 2 actually is an auxiliary switch, and the switch 1 is the master switch. The switch 1 is a master switch because based on what we just tested, the switch 1 didn't connected to the fire cable, and the switch 2 connected to the fire line. So the switch that's connected to the fire line should be auxiliary line, and another one should be the master line. So let's take a look at the switch 1 is original wiring. You can see this ground line. Let me see. The black one, the red one is travel 2, so it's this one. This one is travel 2. You can see the red one. So this fire line, this black one connected to the dark screw is fire line. This one should be travel 1. This black one. So I will begin to connect them. So you can see the neutral line actually is the white one. It's inside. It's here. It's inside. So originally the neutral line didn't connect to the switch. Okay, let's take a look at the master switch's wiring. So this one is a node 9. It's connected to the red 9. White to white is a neutral line. And black to black, this one. This is a travel 1, I think. And blue to ground line. The blue line connected to the red line. You can see this one. So this is a travel 2, I think. Yeah. Basically, the wiring is like this. Let's take a look at switch 2. So the dark screw connected to the hot line and the travel 1. They are connected together. I have a sticker here. You can see this one is a hot line. And this is travel 2. This is red one. And another side, this ground line, and this one doesn't connect anything. So okay, right now I'm going to turn on the power. Let's look at what will happen. So you can see it's sparkling. And if I turn the switch 2, it works. So the point is you need to figure out which switch is a master switch. That's very important.